Nancy's life is the answer. While an intern at Miami's Jackson Memorial, Dr. Pedro Jose Greer came across a patient in a coma without a known name or address, a homeless man found by firefighters suffering from tuberculosis.
Everybody in this room, every intern, every person with a light or a camera, they get up and they work hard.
I'm an intern with Right Track, and
we've welcomed hundreds of you to the United States to study in our universities and experience our state and local governments, and to intern, spend time at our companies,